How to clean exhaust the easiest way. C-Max. I use this cleaning gel. Apply this cleaning gel to all the parts where you need it to be cleaned. This, as you can see, leave it for 10 minutes. Before, after. You can see before and after how it's becoming cleaner and cleaner. Like this, you can make it good as new. Start scrubbing after 10 minutes. It's already starting to shine, as you can see. So much big difference. Before, after. This becomes this after you scrub it. Scrub this like this all around. After scrubbing thoroughly, wash with water. After we rub thoroughly like this, we wash it. See how clean it is getting after you wash it. After scrubbing, we wash. After scrubbing thoroughly, we wash it. As you can see the difference between before and after, how clean it has become. If you also want the same result, use this cleaning gel. looking good as new. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this with your friends, families.